If you're looking to promote GetResponse with YouTube ads, this video is going to break it down step by step. But before you dive in, there's a common mistake that wastes ad spend and kills conversions. Stick around so you don't fall into that trap. Now, GetResponse is a solid email marketing and automation tool, but running YouTube ads for it, that's a whole different game. You need the right targeting, ad format, and messaging, or you'll end up throwing money at Google with nothing to show for it. First, who are you actually targeting? GetResponse is best for online businesses, affiliate marketers, and course creators. But you can't just target email marketing as a broad keyword. It's too competitive. Instead, focus on intent-based targeting. People searching for best email marketing software or GetResponse tutorial are already interested. Running ads on those searches gets your offer in front of buyers, not just browsers. Next, your ad needs to hook them immediately. Most YouTube ads fail because they start slow. The first 5 seconds should call out your audience directly. Struggling to get more sales from your emails? Watch this. Then, quickly show how GetResponse fixes that. Maybe it's the automation, AI tools, or the ability to build funnels inside the platform. Another thing, asterisk asterisk, which ad format should you use? Asterisk asterisk, if you're running skippable in-stream ads, you need to get straight to the value, or they'll click skip. But if you're using discovery ads, your headline and thumbnail need to make it clear why GetResponse is better than its competitors like ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or ConvertKit. And speaking of competitors, here's where most people mess up. They don't compare. If you're promoting GetResponse, you have to acknowledge its strengths and weaknesses. It's great for automation and webinars, but it can feel clunky compared to ConvertKit for simple email sequences or ActiveCampaign for advanced CRM features. If you ignore that, potential buyers will search for reviews and land on someone else's affiliate link instead of yours. Now, let's talk about conversions. Clicking your ad isn't enough. You need to send them to a high-converting landing page. Don't just send them to GetResponse's homepage. Create a simple bridge page that explains the main benefit in a clear, no-fluff way. Add a call to action like, get an extended free trial to increase signups. And finally, asterisk asterisk, is GetResponse actually the best choice? Asterisk asterisk, if you're promoting it because of commissions, fair enough. But for some users, platforms like System.io or Brevo might be a better fit, especially for beginners or people who want more automation at a lower cost. That's why I've added exclusive free trials to not just GetResponse, but also some better alternatives depending on your needs. If you want the best deal with extra perks, click the link below before signing up. It's only available through our link. See you in the next video.